How to enable or disable play sound for keypad taps on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From here, open up the phone application. Then, tap on the more button at the top here and choose settings. In call settings, we go down and tap on call alerts and ringtone. From here, tap on play sound for keypad taps. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, if you turn it on, when you go back to your keypad here, when you tap on it, it will make a sound. So if I increase the system volume, you can hear it plays a sound. If I switch it off, then it will not play a sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.